The United States has faulted NASA leader Raila Odinga for taking an oath as the people's president, an action the Donald Trump administration termed as undermining Kenya's constitution and the rule of law. Through the State Department spokesperson, that's Heather Nauert, Washington backed President Uhuru Kenyatta's administration after his 26 October election was upheld by the Supreme Court. The Trump government urged Odinga to seek redress on any issue through the laid out and appropriate legal mechanisms. While lauding the Kenya security forces for exercising restraint during the Odinga swearing-in feat at the historic Uhuru Park grounds on Tuesday, the State Department urged the law enforcers to refrain from any unnecessary or excessive use of force. So far, Ruaraka Member of Parliament TJ Kajwang and self-declared National Resistance Movement General Miguna have been arrested in connection with the Odinga oath ceremony. Such arrests and prosecutions, the USA says, must be made in accordance with the law and a process that is transparent. Now, the Trump administration has urged the Kenyan people and leaders to embark on a national dialogue to deliberate on long-standing issues and seek solutions that will build cohesion. And NASA has, however, accused America of meddling in Kenyan political affairs and taking sides while turning a blind eye or ear to what the opposition leaders have termed excesses and impunity of the Jubilee top brass.